Welcome to the Weather Centre on Sunday, where the morning starts off with some fog along the west coast as well as over parts of the eastern interior. It'll be a fine and hot day in the west with most of the thunderstorms over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, but we'll see a few patches of isolated thundershowers as we head towards the northeastern and eastern interior. And then on Sunday evening, we'll see a bit of drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, with that fog returning to the forecast along the west coast. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with a 20% chance of thundershowers as we head towards the northeastern and northern interior. And then here's a possibility of evening drizzle along the northeastern escarpment as well as over parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It'll be a hot Sunday afternoon in the northeast with highs in the low 30s for Gauteng and the northwest. Vryburg topping 34 degrees, 29 for Polokwane and Mbombela at 31. Pietermaritzburg matches their daytime high, 34 for Bloemfontein and Welkom, with a warm afternoon for the Eastern Cape with highs heading into the middle and upper 20s. Along the east coast, we're forecasting a 2-metre easterly swell at 9 seconds. With a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, a light southerly breeze for East London and Port St Johns, and a sunny afternoon for Port Elizabeth at 26 with a moderate southwesterly wind. A sunny and hot Sunday is in store over the southern part of South Africa, with most highs in the low 30s. A 2-metre southeasterly swell at 10 seconds is forecast along the south coast, but with a larger swell and a much longer wave period as we head towards Muizenberg, where we're forecasting a high of 27 degrees with a fresh southeasterly wind. A light to moderate southerly breeze is forecast for Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay, both topping 24 in the afternoon. We head into the upper 30s for Uppington and Prieska, 30 degrees with a sunny forecast for Sutherland and Springbok. Along the west coast, we're expecting a fresh southerly wind for Cape Town at 30, with a moderate westerly wind for Lambert's Bay and a 1.5-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Dry and hot weather continues over the western part of South Africa on Monday. We'll see a higher chance of thunderstorms over the northeastern and eastern parts on Monday, with some rain in the forecast for Polokwane and Mbombela. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Sunday.